Tradition and cultural practices have played and continue to play a crucial role in conserving the environment. It is no surprise that the conservation or the Convention on our Biological Diversity acknowledged and recognized the need to protect and encourage customary use of biological resources in accordance with traditional cultural practices that are compatible with conservation or sustainable use requirements. Historically, Buganda Kingdom has advocated for protection of forests, conservation of wetlands, and promotion of sustainable agriculture, among others. For example, Buganda's totem system of 56 clans is one of the few surviving and respected cultural norms in the kingdom, which has played a key role in nature preservation. For example, each clan, which we call a chika, has a totem, or muziro, represented by an animal, an insect, or a plant, and it's forbidden to eat one's totem. Now, this ethical stance bestows responsibility to protect totems from harm and destruction, further promoting ecological sustainability.